Hello, my name is Samantha Goyrette. I'm one of the co-directors of the Northwest Tennessee Local Food Network, and I want to thank you for being a Grow Food Challenge seed distribution partner. We had a meeting this morning that I thought I recorded, but I didn't. So I'm just going to give you a little recap of what we discussed and what we shared as well. Let me share my screen, and I'm going to show you some of the information we covered. So all of you will be getting lots of materials. And here I'm going to show you what we have for you. So each of you this week will be getting one of these one or two of these seed troughs. They are wrapped in plastic so it doesn't like fall over. Included with the many seeds that we have here are some bags that people can put their seeds in. We are requesting that only 5 seed packets are given to each household. So it's good to put these seed troughs in a location that is visible to one of your staff members or people, to make sure that only people get 5 seeds each. That way we don't have any seed hoarding folks grabbing all the seeds at once. Additionally, you will be getting a packet of information. This includes our laminated Grow Food Challenge sign to be put up. People can register here through this QR code, or they can register in on our website, and I'll be showing you that too. Also, on the Grow Food Challenge little mini seed flyers, we also have this registration link here, and you can see down below our website address, which I'm going to show you in a second. Our website it's full of information. Additionally, there are some printed materials that you can share with folks, and I'm going to show you where to find those right now. So let me share my screen, and we will go to our website, which is nwtnlfn.org. Here, when you go to our website, under the Grow Food Challenge page, if you click on this link, you will be directed here. This is our hub of all hubs of all information that you need about the Grow Food Challenge. This image is actually linked to our web page. To our registration page. If you just click on this link, it will go right to our registration page. We are encouraging anybody who picks up seeds to please register, because that is how we will communicate to any participant on how to submit photos. And of course, it's not showing, but that's okay. It is linked there. Additionally, we have the map of our seed distribution locations. And also you have your very own dedicated seed distribution partner page, which I'm going to show you in a second. But while we're on this page, let me share with you the information that is on this page. So first we have our register link here under the steps to participate. These links will go live to submit the photos starting this Saturday, April 12th, which is when we're going to kick off our Grow Food Challenge. And we will also be announcing the challenge prizes at different locations. So our start prize we will be announcing on May 3rd at the VFW in Milan. Our compost prize we will be announcing at the Mackenzie Early Head Start, who have been awesome composters. And then our harvest prize, the grand prize, will be announced at the Martin Farmers Market 4th of July celebration. For those who are going to be submitting photos, these buttons will be live starting April 12th. So folks can just click on the button and submit their photos. Now, with the photos are not judged on the quality of the photo. You do not have to be a professional photographer. Really, the photo submissions are just proof that registered participants have started their seeds. They're showing us how they're composting and then what they are growing. So those are the 3 prize categories. Each of these themes come with different prizes. And we also have more information about rules to participate if folks have questions. Now, we do encourage anybody who is living in our 9-county region, which includes the following counties: Benton, Crockett, Carroll, Dyer, Lake, Henry, Obion, Gibson, and Weakley County. Yeah, got them all 9 counties. So anybody residing in these counties can submit these photos to be eligible to win prizes. If we do get photos that are submitted with like outside of our region, they can still participate, but they cannot get a prize. We are thankful to our seed donors who have donated 13,000 seeds, which y'all are going to help distribute. Thank you so much for helping distribute these seeds. We couldn't do it without you. So we're grateful for Seeds Program International, Second Harvest Food Bank, and Mary's Heirloom Seeds. They all donated seeds towards this year's Grow Food Challenge. Now, where to find resources? If you keep on scrolling down the page, you can get this handy dandy resource, which basically shows more or less how many seeds would fit in a square foot garden. Also below, you have links to our Grow Food Challenge poster, which is this one. Beautiful. It is 8.5 by 14. If you wanna print it out, it's legal size paper. We also have our seed distribution partner poster as an image file and printable PDF file. You can grab our logos for the Grow Food Challenge and our local food network logo as well. And then in your packets, you have these 4 printed handouts. There are additional information about how to grow and how to compost in here as well. We've got lots of different resources. Now, additionally, for our seed distribution locations, we are very excited and grateful for our staff putting this together and showcasing where our seed distribution partners are located. My computer will actually show it. Okay, let's see. We'll go up here. Grow Food Challenge, seed distribution locations. Maybe. I have had issues with my, let's see. We're gonna just refresh this page and see what happens. Okay, come on, baby. So yeah, you see this little arrow here? If you click on that, it will go to our seed distribution page. Let's see if I stop share. I'm gonna stop share for a moment and see if I can do it this way. It is not wanting me. My computer is angry with me, it seems like. Come on. Trying to get the page up. Having technical difficulties. Bear with me. So where am I located? I'm located in my backyard garden called Barefoot Gardens. And I grow food for my family, and I grow plant starts as a fundraiser that we sell at the Martin Farmers Market. So you can get plant starts from us. And speaking of plant starts, part of the Grow Food Challenge, we are collaborating with with FFA plant sale groups, and that can be located on our blog. My computer is not working, is not wanting to share what I wanted to share with, but I will be sending an email to all of our seed distribution partners with these links so that you are able to easily share them on your social media pages. You're able to print out additional information documents at your locations and also ways, to set up your seed spots. It's always good if you're a library to have some growing food and composting books that you can make available to patrons. And yeah, so my computer is not wanting me to share anymore. But we appreciate your support and your partnership in being a seed distribution hub. We are grateful for your time, efforts, and energy. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can reach me on my email, which is nwtnfoodguide@gmail.com, or you can reach out to Caroline Ideas, which is Caroline, CAROLINE ideus at gmail.com. So reach out to either one of us with questions. If you are a texter, you can text me at 731-332-9071, or give me a call. If I don't answer, I will call you back as soon as I'm available. And for any questions, any resources that you might need, please go and visit our Grow Food Challenge webpage. You can get that on our website, nwtnlfn.org. That stands for Northwest Tennessee Local Food Network.org, nwtnlfn.org. And we are grateful for your partnership and helping us kick off this year's Grow Food Challenge, happening starting on April 12th. So don't unravel your seeds yet until April 12th, through July 5th. So we are grateful and thankful for your partnership, and please let us know if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.